Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add fade in and fade out effect in CapCut. So here I've already imported a clip, and to add both fade in and out effect, you just need to click on the clip and go to the animation, and for the fade in, click on the in, find the fade in, this one, and adjust the durations to your liking. I'm going to go with 0.8 seconds. Now for the fade out, click on the out. Now select fade out. Okay, this one, and I'm going to add around 1 second. Now click on a check icon, and here is the final result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.